Thank you for learning about an exciting new software technology, the Workload Assessment, Notification and Demand Alert, or WANDA, a practical solution developed by SimVentions under N68335-23-C-0233, titled Electronic Warfare Operator, Workload Organization and Sharing. At SimVentions, we are committed to developing solutions that effectively solve real problems, and we take pride in this commitment. At SimVentions, your success is our honor. SimVentions is a small business that has been a trusted partner of the Department of Defense for over 20 years. Over the years, SimVentions has supported multiple Department of Defense entities, including the Navy, Marine Corps, Missile Defense Agency, DARPA, and Space Force, to name a few of our customers. Our core capabilities include the following: software engineering. Some languages we use for software development include Java, JavaScript, Kotlin, C, C++, C#, Ada, .NET, and UML. We select the best and most efficient software language based on customer requirements and needs and the intended use of the solution. We are proud to utilize an agile methodology for our software development processes, ensuring cross-functional collaboration, better risk management, more responsiveness to customer feedback, and faster solutions. Systems engineering. At SimVentions, we know how systems engineering fits into the overall Department of Defense acquisition process for product development. As one of the company's core strengths, our systems engineering skills enable us to perform all aspects of product development from conceptualization to production. Tools and innovation. At SimVentions, we are not just about adapting to problems. We are committed to finding innovative solutions. Cybersecurity engineering. SimVentions helps ensure cybersecurity is considered early and often as we guide programs and systems through development. Our team of certified cybersecurity engineers has a broad spectrum of capabilities applicable across the domain, including secure design and development systems, assessment and authorization, or A&A, security and penetration testing, supply chain analysis, and ongoing maintenance and security posture monitoring. Program management. SimVentions assists customers in managing complex programs, the resources needed to execute according to schedule, risk management, and assess program progress. Modeling and simulation. SimVentions' current experience in modeling and simulation spans a range of functional areas, which include tactical system simulation and analysis, modeling and simulation standards development, modeling and simulation subject matter expertise, and modeling and simulation tool development. As a 100% employee-owned business, SimVentions invests in its culture, customers, and community. Our environment fosters innovation and collaboration, with each team member recognizing the honor of helping others succeed. Our culture encourages imagination, creativity, exploration, and discovery, making us more than just a company, but a community of shared values. Our SimVentions team has successfully transitioned 15 SBIR topics to Phase 2 contracts and 7 SBIRs to Phase 3 contracts. The impact of our solutions and tools is felt throughout the Department of Defense, actively contributing to their operations. Founded in the year 2000 by 4 experienced leaders in technical support of the U.S. military, today, SimVentions is headquartered just south of Washington, D.C. in Fredericksburg, Virginia. Our company focuses on technical excellence and customer and employee satisfaction. We are consistently thinking, working, and succeeding together. Because of this, SimVentions is a thriving small business supporting the Navy, Marine Corps, Army, other Joint Department of Defense agencies, nonprofits, and commercial companies. SimVentions takes pride in our company's wide breadth of subject matter experts. At SimVentions, our subject matter experts create all products, services, and tools. We have subject matter experts with experience with the SLQ-32 console, and we are the developers of the SLQ-32 tactical simulator. We believe we are uniquely positioned to deliver the Navy a much-needed electronic warfare capability. We will now discuss the Navy's challenges and why WANDA will assist the Navy with assessing operator workload levels. Navy electronic warfare teams require a method to monitor operator workload parameters and provide workload monitoring status to the EW supervisor. This effort aims to model the performance of electronic warfare operators to create the tactical decision aid WANDA. WANDA is software installed on an operator's console to analyze, organize, prioritize, and share task information. SimVentions anticipates WANDA's transition to the PEO IWS-2 Surface Electronic Warfare Improvement Program, Block 2 in 26. The EW console operator's overload makeup consists of tasks for the following: routine scanning for internal and external electromagnetic spectrum contacts, logging intercepts, and voice reports, responding to internal voice commands and system alerts, monitoring MCON for violations and threats, notifying TAO when threat is within weapons release range, detecting and engaging threats with correct decoys. The WANDA solution, a powerful tool, will provide much-needed relief to the EW team by helping them understand what contributes to the work share and providing workload levels to the supervisor. Our expected requirements for the WANDA solution include the following. The WANDA solution offers a significant advantage by providing a near-to-real-time assessment of EWCO workload levels. The WANDA assessment is performed in seconds, ensuring the supervisor receives workload notifications with minimal lag time. Generate alerts based on workload algorithms and metrics. We have machine learning algorithms that assess emitters and tasks to determine a workload level for the supervisor. When an operator is overloaded for an established time, WANDA automatically transmits the data to the supervisor. Our in-house subject matter experts give the SimVentions development team a unique opportunity to understand the daily challenges experienced by the EW workforce. Provide a method to balance the workload between the EWS and EWCO. Our final solution is to identify tasks the EWS can assist with, such as routine scanning and monitoring, to make the EWCO workload manageable. WANDA's algorithms predict the tasks the operator needs to execute based on emitters and threats, eliminating the need to feed data directly into the WANDA application. This proactive approach ensures an automated process for accessing data inputs and outputs, providing a sense of reassurance and confidence in the system's capabilities. Understand the elements that contribute to EWCO fatigue. The Navy will better understand the work elements that contribute to work burnout and can make informed decisions on ways to mitigate these challenges. With more alert EW operators that are not overtaxed, the WANDA solution significantly reduces combat risks, making the audience feel more secure and protected. The Naval Electronic Warfare workforce employs a comprehensive suite of technological assets to detect, identify, locate, and intercept electromagnetic energy sources on air, land, or sea that threaten operational forces. EW capabilities recently improved with additional radio frequency monitoring and digital technologies that expanded the capacity to detect, resolve, classify, and identify signals of interest. The ANSLQ-32 v6 system is a complex system that detects and classifies threats at the radar horizon and can launch decoys and perform jamming of targeting radar emitters. Staffing the ANSLQ-32 v6 console is a demanding role that includes multiple simultaneous cognitive and sensory stimuli, leading to excess workload and fatigue. The challenge is that the new technologies combined with legacy EW assets increased workload responsibilities on an already overtaxed EWCO and decreased EWCO workload situational awareness for the EWS. The potential for errors due to EWCO's work overload and fatigue are theoretical and actual problems that must be understood and effectively addressed. When a person experiences multiple task demands that exceed human capacity for workload, the result is decrement task performance. The new capability notifies and provides situation awareness to the EWS regarding the EWCO's current workload and increases the understanding of workload demands, resulting in stress, fatigue, and potential errors. The EWCO and EWS roles are vital to battlespace operations and the Wanda solution promotes increased collaboration and knowledge sharing within the EW team. The EW console is a complex system that detects and classifies threats at the radar horizon and can launch decoys and perform jamming to target radar emitters. Staffing the console is demanding, including multiple simultaneous cognitive and sensory stimuli, leading to excess workload and fatigue. The EWCO is responsible for numerous tasks, which fluctuate based on the operational environment and need. Therefore, dispersing work share during real-time operations or Condition 1 watch turnover can be problematic, and this software solution fulfills the Navy requirements of providing the EW team with a near real-time representation of EWCO workload levels. Wanda will generate alerts to the supervisor indicating EWCO workload levels. Wanda has embedded workload algorithms to identify workload levels and create visual representations of those levels as a quick reference for the supervisor. This solution provides recommendations for tasks the supervisor can assist with to lessen the work burden for the operator. Our Wanda technology development considers input from our electronic warfare subject matter experts, all of whom have direct experience with the challenges the EWCOs face. Software developers are also developing our graphical user interface with a wealth of knowledge. Wanda is a .NET containerized application that uses message inputters and a task evaluator to assess workload and calculate the results. SimVentions is working with IWS, two stakeholders, to be able to deploy Wanda to the ANALQ 32 version 6 consoles. Before deployment, the application testing will occur in SimVentions tactical simulation environment. We have created an AIML algorithm to determine workload levels based on visual, cognitive, auditory, and psychomotor factors. Our algorithms also evaluate task performance based on established metrics for task completion, such as minimum time, average time, and maximum time. The EWCO will be able to tell the Wanda application to assess workload based on threat levels and areas of responsibility. The Wanda application will then determine workload based only on the inputs of concern. On the screen is a depiction of the Wanda GUI with sample data. The application contains a navigation menu for the supervisor to obtain additional data. Wanda lists the tasks associated with emitters in the middle of the main screen. We have added visual representations of the data. The application alerts the supervisor when the EWCO experiences work overload with his work. The operator can view the Wanda application, but it runs in the console's background, so the application does not add additional workload demands for the operator. Wanda maintains a log of the emitters, messages, and tasks so the Navy can use the obtained data for future training opportunities. In the past, the EWCO and EWS have yet to find methods to automate communications regarding work status and identify areas of work where assistance is required. Wanda will solve that challenge for the Navy. We are currently in the Phase 2 option period and plan to transition to a Phase 3 in fiscal year 2025. Wanda will provide several benefits to the Navy and ease workload overages for the EW team by promoting collaboration. Visualizations. The embedded visualizations provide a quick reference for the EWS, identifying the work performed, pending tasks, and current workload demand levels. It is a way to make complex data related to combat system tracks, emitters, communications, actions, and alerts more easily understood regarding the relationship to workload. The visualizations provide the supervisor with situational awareness and help prioritize pending work. Our application offers near real-time results with only a 5-second lag time. Message traffic. Our input monitors assess incoming message traffic and predict work associated with the messages. The EW team can view pending and completed actions based on the incoming message traffic. We plan to include speech recognition capabilities within Wanda and associate speech patterns with task performance. Containerized solution. Creating a containerized application provides multiple advantages, including building and developing Wanda faster bundling code and providing a lightweight software solution. Human interpretation. Wanda development considered the fast-paced environment the EWCO and EWS work in. The application provides quick and reliable results to the team. Wanda conducts the assessment against task performance parameters established by subject matter experts. In the operational environment, Wanda will learn and adapt to task performance in real time, integrates with EW applications. Our SimVentions EW team developed an operator logging tool that will be deployed to ANSLQ32 consoles. The Wanda application will complement that capability by enabling task performance assessments on historical data. The Navy will be able to implement the logging and task performance data in training and identify any training gaps within the EW team. We are currently testing Wanda in our simulation tactical environment and will continue to do so as we mature the Wanda application. Additionally, we would like to perform additional testing, both land and ship-based. We are already working on transitioning N68335-23-C-0233 from a Phase 2 to a Phase 3 in April 2025. We are working with NAVC to secure funding for that opportunity. SimVentions is target 2 platforms to transition to: ANSLQ32 versions 6 and 7. Before the current Phase 2 effort ends, our team will demonstrate Wanda in our tactical simulation environment. Lockheed Martin is the prime contractor for the ANSLQ32 versions 6 and 7. We have begun early discussions regarding deployment requirements and plan to engage routinely with Lockheed Martin. Our transition advocate is IWS2. Fatigue and burnout from excessive workload demands are experienced in multiple markets, not solely in an electronic warfare program. Wanda is easily translatable to other teams, not only in the DoD but also in the industry. SimV, a company that has grown significantly over the last 20 years, and we have expanded into many new markets with new capabilities based on our SBIR successes. For this opportunity, there is already a sizable DoD and commercial market need for workload modeling. The DoD is confronted with building a warfighter workforce that is more agile and innovative to respond to the increasingly changing enemy tactics while managing the warfighter's workload demands. A workload modeling solution is required to assist with simulating missions and understanding the tasks associated with mission execution to accomplish workload management. On behalf of SimVentions, I would like to thank you for viewing this Tech Talk. The Wanda solution is groundbreaking and will make a difference in the Navy. The solution isn't for only the EW workforce, but others as well. I invite you to contact Lisa Bolin for additional information on the Wanda solution that SimVentions is developing. Please visit www.simventions.com to obtain information on additional technology-driven solutions we are developing.